Fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072F7D. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooters. You should start with Windows Update Troubleshooter and then check your network connection, as the error code points to connection issues. Fix 2. Reset Windows Store cache. Fix 3. Clear SSL state. In Windows Search, type Internet Options and press Enter. Fix 4. Reset your internet connection. If the network troubleshooter couldn't fix problems with your connection, you should reset your connection instead. This will flush your DNS reset winsock. Note that this will set all your settings to default. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Install all Windows updates. If general bugs are present, installing Windows updates could fix the 0x80072F7D error. Fix 6. Reset Windows Update components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 7. Reset or repair Microsoft Store.